Hello, this is Jan from Repair. Today we will see a Lenovo IdeaPad s340 that came to our lab dead. Let's go and see how to deal with this damage.
We have this Lenovo s340 that had some issues that we have already fixed, but the main issue that we wanted to discuss is this. This is his burned IC, a regulator IC, that has burned its pads too. These burned pads are the power supply pads of the rail that are feeding the IC. This IC is, as we can find on the schematic diagram, is a regulator that has integrated MOSFETs and connects to the coil directly. The coil produces the 3-volt always power supply that is very critical for the standby section of a notebook. This voltage must be restored for the notebook to work. This chip is an SY8386BR. This IC is not in our possession, and the closest market that can be found is in China. That means that we must wait at least 1 month to get it in our hands. We don't have that option, so we must find a way to restore the board and restore its standby section. We have two options. The first is to use another IC, which is doing the same job. This is the SY8286A, which is the same, but with bigger package. It is a QFN20, and the original was QFN16. The pinout is almost the same, so we want to try to rewire the chip to fit on the pads. Now this is the IC, and this is how it can fit on board. We will try to fit it and come back again. Now we're back, and then after some thoughts and trials, we have decided to go to the option 2. This option is to add an external regulator that we have adjusted to produce the 3 volts that were missing. This was a decision that we have made after trying to fit the chip on the existing pads. This was very difficult and time consuming, so we went to plan B. Plan B was this one we have described before. We have to take the power input from the main rail, from the original main rail, and adjust the output to produce the 3 volts. This is the regulator that we have used. This is small and very handy to work, and does the job perfectly. We have connected the output of the regulator to the existing 3-volt always coil, and we have also wired the 3 volts LDO to the regulator output in order for the board to have the 3 volts LDO that are required. Now we must test what we have done. Let's go to the overhead view. And connect the charger. We will press the power on. And we have a conception, a good one. So we must check if we have display. So we must connect a screen, the charger, and we're ready to press the power button. Oh, there is display. The regulator did its job, so the notebook works again, and the problem is no more.
That was the repair. You saw what we tried to do in the first place. We wanted to do something that was very time consuming, and afterwards we decided not to do it because time is money, you know. And we have replaced the chip, the IC, with a regulator, with a whole regulator, and we have wired some other things such as LDO, 3 volts LDO into this regulator, and that way we solve the problem. If you like this video, please consider like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in another repair. Bye.